Hello, I'm Sun First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Another round of snow, a little more significant during the day tomorrow. We're looking at it starting in the morning with the winter weather advisory. Heaviest during your morning rush hour, at least the tail end of it. That'll extend into the afternoon, or at least the early afternoon. A quick 1 to 3 inches of snow is what we're facing. We look at, again, the advisory. It includes Wayne County, Washtenaw, Lenawee, and Monroe. So the gist here is the further south you are, the more significant that snow will be. And it's in a relatively quick period of time. That is the concern, the reason why the advisory has been issued for hazardous driving conditions and low visibility. You can see the snow coming in. Here's the time, 9 a.m. from Detroit all the way along the Michigan-Ohio border. The further north, though, you're seeing very little, maybe a light snow shower or a flurry. This is really affecting our southernmost counties. And then it's out of here quickly in the afternoon. We get a bit of a break. And then Tuesday afternoon, another round. We're seeing a series of low pressure systems coming through the Great Lakes and bringing rounds of fairly light snow, but significant enough where you're going to find slick snow-covered roads at times. You're going to see that tomorrow. Low visibility, too, as we start to move our way through the morning hours. It does improve toward the afternoon and evening commute. Temperatures tonight down into the teens. Tomorrow's highs only in the low 20s. We're stuck in this real cold pattern until Thursday, when our temperatures will be back in the low 30s. Thursday night, a chance for snow. May even see a little bit of mixed precip as temperatures will be hovering near the freezing mark. We'll be above that into the mid-30s on Friday, even around 40, with mixed precip expected by the end of next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great night.